Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a TikTok live goal. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video so that it reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. Now guys, you're going to press on the plus button. And then guys, after reaching here, you're going to scroll this side. Until you reach live. Then guys, press on live. Then guys, adding a live goal, you have to press up here. You have to press up there. Then guys, for me I had already added my live goal, but in order to add a new live goal, to change a live goal or add a new live goal, you just press here. Then guys, we have several gifts on TikTok. You can scroll and look for the gift you need to add as your live goal. Like I can press here on donut, and then guys, after pressing on donut, you can press either on these numbers to add the number of donuts you need as your live goal, or you can press here on customize so that you can enter the number you want, either small or big number. You can add it as your live goal number. So guys, you can press here, you can manage your live goal by adding the number you want, the number of gifts you need as your live goal. So guys, I can press 12, so then I press on confirm. Then guys, you can see that I need 12 donuts as my live goal. Then you press again on confirm. Again you press on confirm. And that's how you can add your live goal on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.